Welcome to our school. Our school is a place full of energy, ambition, and creativity. The classrooms are bright, clean, and decorated with students' projects. The computer labs are equipped with modern technology, and in the specialized classrooms, we learn theory and practice skills that prepare us for real-life work. As we walk through the corridors, we see colorful boards filled with news, photos from school events, and our achievements. During breaks, students gather to chat, laugh, and share ideas. The teachers are kind, patient, and always ready to help us. For all of us, our school is not just a place to study. It's a second home where we grow, learn, and build our future.